Okay guys, here's a quick tutorial on how you can align text in Microsoft Word. So first off, you will be on the home page most probably. From here we want to navigate to the view option right here next to help and review. Okay, after we're taken to the view option, we want to tick this option called ruler. This should pop up after we click on it. Okay, from here you want to go to this symbol right here. And currently we should be on the left tab. If we press on it once, it's going to change to central tab. If we press on it again, it is going to change to right tab. Okay, so after you have taken this symbol to the right tab, you wanna click anywhere on the ruler where you want your right hand side text to appear. So I'm going to do it somewhere between 5 and 6, like so. And now if I try to type, I'm going to show you an example. This is an example. If you press the tab key, you should start writing wherever you place the ruler. So I'm going to type this is an example. And as you can see, it aligns the text left and right. If you keep writing down, it should keep aligning it like so. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and sub if it helped you out, and I'll see you next time.